Hey, howdy folks. So we have Bowling World Surprise Ball number 3. So this is my number 3 ball, and I'll kind of want to go over the balls that I've got before, along with the brother-in-law and our friend Dilo and our friend Russell. So I've got a bunch of people to get surprise balls just because I got pretty lucky with mine. So my first ball was a Brunswick Hypnotize, followed by the Piranha Power Core Pearl, both excellent balls. The brother-in-law got a Crusher, and then he got an Ultimate Defender. And our friend Dilo got an Endeavor and a Crusher. The Crushers are the new purple one, the hybrid one. He didn't get the orange one. And then our friend Russell, his very first ball he ever got, he decided to get a surprise ball, and he got the DV8 Troublemaker Solid. So I'm going to do the unboxing right here. Let me know what you guys think I'm going to get. So very exciting. Always exciting to get a surprise ball. And I've said before, if I get a ball that's $99 or less elsewhere, I'm going to stop buying surprise balls for a while. So we'll see if they continue to get my business or not. Here we go. Holy crap, it's a hammer. It's a hammer. Ah! All right, so I'm guessing Black Widow Mania. That's what I'm gonna guess. Let's see what we got here. Or the 3D offset. 3D offset would be pretty cool. What's another hammer? Ooh, could also get the Effect Tour. Let's see what we got here. Oh, and I got a Scorpion Low Flare. That's pretty cool. I kind of wanted a Scorpion Low Flare. It's not, they're actually on sale for 120 bucks, so I didn't save too much money there. But not too bad. Let's make sure that that's what I got. Yeah, Scorpion Low Flare. So this was actually on my radar. I was going to get this ball. And pretty cool. Yeah, this will be good in Napa because I was looking for a low flaring ball, especially for our lanes. So I actually got this ball. I used the points from Bowling World, and I actually paid 88 bucks. So I got 12 bucks off the deal, and I got 88. I paid 88 bucks, and I think this ball goes for 130. So pretty much 40 bucks saved. Still not a bad deal. This is I think they just discontinued this ball, if I'm not mistaken, like a week or two ago. So yeah, pretty happy. Not exactly a super high performance ball, but a pretty decent ball nonetheless. And I actually saved some money, so good job, Bowling World. I think I'll still keep buying mystery balls from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys got a surprise ball or a mystery ball. Let me know what you guys got, or if you want to get one, let me know. So this is number 3 for me, Scorpion Low Flare. This was definitely on my radar as a ball I was going to get anyway. So I saved some money on it, so pretty stoked. So if you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll do some more unboxing videos for you shortly. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.